Finally, there was John McLean and his family of car racing enthusiasts.
Okay, now I'm going to show you the large Bee Hive. It has 3 solar panels along with 3 long-range antennas. The range for these are up to 5 kilometers. Inside the case, and you can see the solar panel, we lift it up, and there we have the converter, the solar panel charger, my little Buzzbee units. So there are 3 of them here in this case, and it is running from a battery, and so you've got your canisters in here. So what I'm going to show you now is how the units work. This is the inside of the hive. As you can see, we have some canisters in there, 2 fans, a battery, and a pump. The pump pumps air into a solution of lithium hydroxide. The canisters hold calcium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide. These are the solar panel controllers, and as you can see here, the solar panel is being charged right now. That's the battery outlet, and this is my Buzzbee. And what I'm going to do is to turn it on, and you can see that this is the Carbon Be Gone Buzzbee Hive number 1, and it's going to connect to the internet. And there it is, it's connected, and now it's going to start showing you the carbon dioxide concentrations. And there we have the concentration. This is the temperature, the humidity. This is the carbon dioxide outside in the air, which is 407 parts per million. This is how much of the carbon dioxide is being removed from the canister. So to find the total concentration, this is the total air minus that, and it comes out to around 200 and something. So right now, of carbon, it is removing 135 parts per million. Total volatile organic gases or compounds, that includes methane from the outside. And this is the total removed, and we've got a number in milligrams. This is the voltage of the battery. And what I'm going to do now is to turn on the canisters. And these are the canisters here. That's number 1. And then that's the big one, number 2. There's our battery. I'm going to turn on the Buzzbee Hive number 2, and again, once it connects, it's now connected, and it's going to show you the carbon dioxide and total volatile organic compounds being removed from hive number 2. And there it is there. The outside concentration minus the amount inside. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the pump. And the pump is this pump down in here, pumping air. Okay, I'm now going to show you the personal at-home Buzzbee Hive. It's the same solar panel, long-range antenna, but inside the hive, in this case, it's a pump. It's a pond pump that I got on Amazon. Again, your DC to AC converter for the pump. We've got a garbage pail, stainless steel, with a solution of water and calcium hydroxide. So what this pump is going to do, it's going to take the air from the outside and bubble the air through, capturing the carbon dioxide. The battery's in the bottom, and once I turn on the unit, you'll hear the sound, and again you can see the voltage and my little unit here, which I'm now going to turn on. And remember, this is all charged by the solar panel, so everything here is run by the power generated by the sun. So this one I call Dragon's Den number 1, and it's the same idea. It's going to log in. Once it logs in, it's going to start showing you the carbon dioxide that it captures. And once it's finished, it will start showing all the different values. Again, everything powered by the solar charger and the battery that's charged by the sun. And the last hive I'm going to show you is at-home special. This particular one is one of the smartest ones. It has the solar panel, the long-range antenna, but inside it has a much more sophisticated setup. What it's got this solar panel charger. It's got my Buzzbee controller, which I'm just turning on. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn on this incredible sophisticated little control unit. What it's doing is it's showing you the temperature, the humidity, and the speed of the fan. Now again, it's starting to pick out the carbon dioxide. There is the system right here. It's a very large fan taking the air from the outside, passing it through my canister that is filled with zeolite. There's the battery in the bottom. And this other thing here is what I'm going to be using for my foaming zeolite cartridges. So this is a new item that I'm designing. But now you can see that the temperature is 66 degrees, but the fan is increasing in speed. Right now it's up to 8. And all this is being controlled by the battery being charged by the solar panel. You can see that the flashing of the solar panel, I've got some LED lights on, and it's still charging the battery. The battery's a bit low, but again, there's enough with my little AC converter. The AC converter is down underneath, and it's doing the same thing where it's taking the battery, changing the 12 volt DC to AC current that runs the fan, controlled by a very sophisticated controller. So again, this is the top of the line at-home carbon dioxide removal system, or as I call it, direct air control.